how do I avoid getting trapped sa consolidation box? Ano ba ang consolidation box? Consolidation box looks like this. And inside the consolidation, ang price ay nagtitrade lang paulit-ulit sa loob. Though lumalagpas siya, pero mapapansin mo, bumabalik siya inside this area. So first, you have to ask yourself, is this coin applicable to my strategy? Because I believe marami kang inaral na strategy. And the question there is, do I master my strategy? Kasi kung hindi mo master yung strategy mo and applicable yung strategy mo dyan, magfo-fall ka under doon sa tinatawag nating inconsistencies. In other words, gumagana yung strategy pero hindi mo siya magawa ng consistently. Ay coach, what if kaya ko na gawin siya consistently? So sige, let's assume alam mo na siya gawin consistently. Paano mo to iti-trade? Sabihin natin we have the bigger picture. Diyan na papasok yung tinatawag nating key levels. The better the key levels, the better your confidence. Here's why. Kasi in every trade, meron lagi diyang tinatawag na randomness. And every randomness, yan yung minsan dahilan kung bakit nakikick out tayo sa trade. At pag nalaman mo kung kailan iiwasan yan at pwede mo siyang gawin advantage, tataas yung win rate mo. So, ngayon, let's identify yung mga key levels. This is going to be your key levels, another key level. So, if I'm going to put my trade, sabihin natin long, mas maganda kung malapit ka dyan sa yellow line na yan. And your stop loss must be below the key level. Why? Kasi if magti-trade ka, ang stop loss mo is malapit sa key level, then dyan nangyayari yung mga scenario na tatamaan ng stop loss mo tas aakyat. And that's also true with shorting. So if you're shorting, sabihin natin nandito yung placement mo sa may key level, definitely yung stop loss mo is beyond key level. So ibig sabihin invalid na talaga yung trade. So kaya again, nangyayari yung mga trade na kick out ka lang kahit shorting tapos babagsak mangyayari yung trade is because naglalagay ka ng stop loss doon sa key level. Dapat ilabas mo siya. That's how you want to trade the consolidation box. Not all consolidation are created equally. May ibang consolidation na pwede mo i-trade. Pero yung mga consolidation na hindi mo pwede i-trade, yan yung mga sobrang maliliit na consolidation. Ano yung tsura nun? Imagine lang natin mas maliit siya. Pag ganyan kaliit yung consolidation, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo siya i-trade on smaller time frame.